You ever just wanted to show an AI a chart, a diagram, or even a super messy receipt and have it just get it? Well, we're moving way beyond simple text commands now. Today, we're going to dive into the power of vision prompts, basically how we teach AI to analyze images with some incredible precision.
Just look at this. It says it all. On the left, you ask a vague question, you get a totally useless answer. A person and some objects. I mean, thanks for nothing, right? But on the right, with a smart, structured prompt, that same AI gives us this rich, detailed, and actually useful breakdown. This is the difference we're going to unlock today.
So what exactly is a vision prompt? It's pretty simple, really. It's an instruction for an AI that uses both text and an image. You're not just asking it to write something, you're guiding it. You're telling it how to look at, interpret, and pull specific bits of information out of whatever you show it. It's really the bridge between just seeing something and actually understanding it.
Okay, so if we're going to write good prompts, we first have to understand why the bad ones fail so spectacularly. And it really all comes down to this one big idea, the challenge of visual ambiguity.
Here's the breakdown. First off, images are just loaded with what we call visual ambiguity. You know, all the hidden emotions, the context, the relationships that we humans pick up on instantly. Second, the AI has zero context. It has no idea if it's looking at a professional marketing photo or a quick snap of your family pet. And finally, if you don't specify your goals, the AI has no clue what's important to you in the image. So it's just forced to take a wild guess.
So, how do we fix this whole mess? The solution is what we're calling the structured prompt method. This is how we turn those vague, useless questions into genuinely valuable answers. Let's actually see it in action. See the difference here? It's night and day. Instead of just a lazy question, we're giving the AI a checklist. We're telling it exactly what to look for, broken down into specific categories: the main subject, the setting, the objects, any text, and even the mood. This isn't just a request anymore, it's a guided analysis. And boom, here's the result. The AI follows our structure perfectly. It identifies the woman presenting, it spots the MacBook Pro on the table, and it even uses optical character recognition, that's OCR, to pull the text Q4 sales results right off the presentation screen. That generic person and objects is now actionable business intelligence. Pretty cool, huh?
Now this method isn't just for photos, it's incredibly versatile. Take a complex technical diagram like this one. We just tailor the categories. Now we're asking for the diagram type, its components, the information flow, and even a step-by-step walkthrough. We're essentially telling the AI to put on its engineer hat and think like one.
And just look at this output, a perfectly organized table breaking down the entire microservices architecture. It knows the API gateway is the entry point, it understands the message queue is for asynchronous communication, and it explains how all the services connect. This isn't just a description anymore, it's documentation, generated right from a single image.
Okay, you've seen the power of this method. Now, let's distill it all down into a super simple, actionable framework that you can start using right away. Think of it as your 3-step toolkit.
The whole framework really just boils down to 3 simple steps. Step 1. Provide context. Tell the AI what it's looking at. Is it a diagram, a receipt, a piece of art? Step 2. Structure the request. Use those numbered lists or clear categories we've been looking at. And step 3. Define the output. Do you want plain text, a JSON file, or a markdown table? Guiding the how is just as important as the what.
And one last crucial part of your toolkit is choosing the right tool for the job. While our structured method works on pretty much any model, different AIs have different strengths. As you can see here, you might use GPT-4V for more creative reasoning, but for hardcore technical accuracy and pulling text, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is an absolute powerhouse. And if you're analyzing a bunch of images at once, or even a video, Gemini 1.5 Pro is going to be your go-to.
All right, let's zoom out for a second, because this skill is about so much more than just getting better descriptions from an AI. It's really about building a whole new form of partnership, moving from just giving simple commands to having a real collaboration.
And here's the most crucial point of all. A well-structured vision prompt doesn't just ask the AI what it sees, it tells the AI how to see. You are the one providing the framework for its analysis. You're directing its attention, and you're shaping its understanding to fit exactly what you need. You're the director, and the AI is your incredibly capable analyst.
Ultimately, as these tools get more and more powerful, the prompts we write become a direct reflection of our own priorities. And that leaves us with a really big question to think about. When AI can truly see, what will be the most important things we ask it to look for?